Hello everyone, it's Cleofe again, and for today's tutorial, I'm featuring a very simple infinity scarf. The yarn that I use in this project is the leftover from the pullover project that I last featured. So 2 projects in one skein, and this is the second one. The pattern is also perfect for spring with its light texture. And for the dimension, this is 56 inches in circumference and 9 inches in width. And let's get started. For the materials, I use this ice cream big scoop yarn from Lion brand, and this is a leftover from the previous project that I did for the pullover project, and this is in cookies and cream color. I also use size J 6mm crochet hook, blunt needle, pair of scissors, markers, and tape measure. So let's start with a knot and chain 194. So this is now 194 chains. Row 1, single crochet in second chain from hook. So 1, 2, single crochet here, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in the next stitch. Then repeat, chain 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in the next stitch. This is what it looks like. Repeat, chain 6, 4, 5, 6, skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in the next stitch. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. So I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to do the last repeat. So from here, I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in the last stitch. So this is how to end row 1, and this is what row 1 looks like. Row 2. From here, we're going to chain 1, turn, and on the next chain 6 space right here, we're going to skip this one, and then on the chain 6 space we're going to do 7 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then single crochet in the next stitch right here on this single crochet here, single crochet, and then repeat the pattern of single crochet in the next chain 6 space. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is what it looks like. Then single crochet in the next stitch right here, this single crochet, and then 7 single crochets in the next chain 6 space again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. So I'm here now towards the end of the row. So from here, my next step would be to single crochet in the next stitch here, right here, and then 7 single crochets in the last chain 6 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then to end this row, just single crochet on the last stitch here. So this is how to end row 2, and this is what row 2 looks like. Row 3, from here we're going to chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, and we're going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the next 3 stitches starting here. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat the pattern. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3. Chain 6, 4, 5, 6. Skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. So I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to continue with the pattern. So from here, I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. So to end this row, I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and on the last stitch here, I'm going to do a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert in the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's our treble crochet. This is how to end row 3, and this is what row 3 looks like. Row 4, from here we're going to chain 1, then turn, single crochet in the first stitch here, and then on the next chain 2 space here, we're going to do 3 single crochets, 2, 3, and these are the 3 single crochets of the prior row. So we're going to skip the first single crochet, this one, and single crochet in the next stitch like this. Then skip the next one again, this one, and on the chain 6 space, 7 single crochets on the space. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then repeat the pattern, skip next stitch, single crochet in the next, skip the next stitch